Looking for a towing electrical solution that fits perfectly without the headache of cutting or splicing wires? Hopkins Manufacturing Corporation has you covered. Known as the leader in automotive towing electrical products, Hopkins delivers plug-and-play convenience for vehicles equipped with factory tow packages. Imagine hooking up your trailer wiring in minutes, using OEM connectors designed to snap right into place. No guesswork, no mess. I've seen firsthand how Hopkins products transform the towing setup. Instead of fumbling with complicated wiring or worrying about compatibility, the process becomes straightforward. The kit plugs directly into your vehicle's connector and easily integrates with your brake control. This means a cleaner, safer connection that stands up to the demands of towing. Plus, Hopkins backs this with solid customer service, making sure you're never left in the dark if questions come up. Hopkins doesn't just stop at wiring kits. Their lineup includes adapters, vehicle and trailer connectors, breakaway systems, and more, each crafted to simplify your towing experience while adding real value. It's no surprise that over 40% of retail sales in this category stem from Hopkins innovations. If you're serious about towing, this brand is worth a look. If you're ready to cut down on installation time and boost reliability, Hopkins towing electrical products offer exactly what you need. Their plug-and-play design means no cutting, no splicing, and no worries. Check out their range and see how easy towing can be when your equipment fits like it was made for your vehicle. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference Hopkins can make.